Hi, I'm Jody Worrell. Today I'm going to look at the A natural minor scale. This scale will work in songs in the key of A minor or C. It also contains all of the notes in the C scale, which is its relative major. Let's take a look. Okay, we're at the 5th fret here. I'm starting, as you can watch your notation there. First finger at the 5th on the 6th string. 5th, 7th, 8th with first, 3rd, and 4th, excuse me. Same exact move on the next string. Then 5th to 7th on the 4th string. That's the first octave of our scale. Then we have to jump out of position for one string's worth, and we go 4, 5, 7 on the 3rd string. Then we take that exact same move and move it to the next string and back to our sort of parent position at the 5th fret. So it's 1, 2, 4 finger-wise, 1, 2, 4 finger-wise from the 4th fret of the 3rd string, then from the 5th fret of the 2nd string. And then the last note is this A on top with the first finger. Then our fingering differs on the way back, and the reason for that, if we fingered it the same way on the way back, I'd be going to my 4th finger on that note, and I like to stay wherever it is I am. I like to stay there as long as possible. I don't want to commit to playing this note by putting this 4th finger here. I might not get to it in real playing. When we're practicing the scale, it's one thing, but I want us to get in the habit of playing out every position before we make a shift, just like we did here. I shifted only when I had to. Unshifted. Now, on the way down, I'm going to play 1st finger, 4th, 2nd, 1st. This time I'm going to play my 3rd finger on the 3rd string right there, and the 1st finger here. Now, that's as far as I can go without shifting, but that keeps me in one nice position in case I wanted to play going back in the other direction in my actual playing. Instead of doing that and just tying myself up just because that's the way we got here. Now I've got to shift after playing that 7 to 5 on the 3rd string. I got to shift down here to the 4th fret of the 3rd string with my 1st finger. But then I'm going to unshift, if you will, instantly back to the 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the 4th string. Very brief, because I want to be here. I want to have my 1st finger across that 5th fret as much as humanly possible. And that move that you're seeing me make, mind you, my thumb is not going with me. I'm not shifting positions. All this is happening with my thumb planted directly behind the 5th fret in the middle of the back of the neck, like on the equator of the back of the neck. And there's your A natural minor scale. If you want to learn more about major and minor scales, see the Guitarist's Scale book and the Guitarist's Music Theory book, both of which you'll find on this site. I'm Jody Worrell. I'll see you next time.